Hey, and welcome back to the fourth video in my 6-part series, It's Christmas! The Drifters version of White Christmas by Irving Berlin has got to be my favourite of all time. It's a lot of fun. So I've found this fantastic track for the playthrough, so make sure you hang around to the end of the video so we can do the song together. The Drifters version of this song is in A flat. Now we could go to G, but that's going to really test my low voice. So I've taken it up a semitone higher to A. So the chords we're going to need are A, A7, D, D minor. There's one instance of F sharp minor. And then we have the dreaded E chord. Now I've covered this in a lot of my other videos. There's 3 notes that you need to play a triad, a major triad, the first, the third and the fifth. When you do this, or to be more clear so you can see what I'm talking about, that, you have the 3 notes that you need for the E triad. You've got your E, your G sharp and your B. Now that B note there is doubled up down here when you do this shape. So if your finger mutes that bottom string, it doesn't really matter because the note that you need is being voiced already. Okay? So don't panic about the E. Now if you really want to make it absolutely 4 strings resonating, you can do this one, which is your C shape, and you bar it and leave 2 spaces, right? C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So there's options. Now there's also an E7, and while we're up here, to do an E7 from that shape, you just put your finger there on the 5th fret, or we do this E7. In terms of the strumming, I'm going to do what I call the thumb flick. On the A chord, I use the thumb and then flick with my fingers, my fingernails in fact. Occasionally catching the upstroke with my fingers on the way up. I knew I'd forget one. B7, which we've covered in a previous video. So that's like your E minor shape, but moved up 1 string closer to your face. There's a lot of other B7 shapes. You can do this one, which is like a G shape, just moves straight over. And there's this one, which is like your A7, moved up and barred on the 2nd fret. But I like the sound of that one. You decide. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment below. You know I absolutely love to hear from you.
A song sheet for this lesson is available over at Stu's Patreon page, patreon.com/mullum. Head over there and grab it now. Now it's time for the playthrough.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I've never known, where those treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow, the snow. Then I am dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I am dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I've never known, where those treetops glisten and the children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Then I am dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Thanks again for hanging out with me all the way to the end of the video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm find other people who want to learn this song. So you're doing me a great favor. Now, if you've enjoyed yourself today and you want to learn another song, check this one out. See you over there.